Namaskar, myself Anand Bhagatwala, owner of the Labdhi Enterprise. Labdhi Enterprise established in 2019 with a goal of building a sustainable future through renewable energy and produce green and clean energy at a lower cost. We have expertise in the solar rooftop system as well as ground mounted system. Labdhi Enterprise is dealing with design, engineering, installation, testing and commissioning in solar rooftop system in residential category with the subsidy, commercial category as well as industrial category. We also in ground mounted project under the PPA agreement. Apart from this, we are also dealing the solar water heater, solar street light and solar pump, and also provide consultancy in engineering field. We are the government approved agency solar EPC which are registered under the PM Surya Ghar Yojana and Gujarat Energy Development Authority which is approved by MNRE. So we have also installed rooftop in industries just like pharma industry, textile industry and many more industries. They are getting benefit in the energy conservation and it is also useful to the environment and they provide a benefit to nations to give green energy. It is an easy process. Company just tell us we are interested to build a solar plant, so we can contact him, we can survey, we advise them how much kilowatt you need and you can get how much benefit from this solar installation. We are also providing the financial facility. We are connect with the government banks. Also, we have a private finance company. We are using the Engiexpo to connect with the more people, so we can expand our business through the Engiexpo. Up till now, I had visited Engiexpo more times, but now in 2026, I am interested to participate in the Engiexpo and we are very glad to connect with the Engiexpo 2026.